Good morning, beautiful people, or afternoon, or evening, wherever you're watching from. It's, ooh, that's a loud car. Hello, how's everyone doing today? Please excuse my dry ass lips and my long haircut. But today is gonna be a little fun video because we're finally working on some performance mods. Not performance mod. I don't know, technically it's a performance mod, but I think it's more of a sound mod. We will be installing the Injen Intake for the N26 F30, and I will hopefully not F up this time. Alright, so we're under the hood now, and this is the OEM intake box. Please wait, Boost is loading. So first, what you want to do, this vacuum liner here, remove it from the box. Should be easy. Just boop, boop. This one too, boop, and boom. Now it's off. All right. Make sure your car is not hot because some of these will burn you. So let it cool down a little bit. All right. So you can see right here. Let's see, I get you a little brighter. There you go. So you can see right there. Right there. Focus, please. So you can see right there. Little flathead right there. Stick a little flathead to it and loosen that up so that you can take the hose out. Don't go out all the way because, you know, if this thing drops into your engine bay, good luck finding it. Alright, loosen that up so then the hose can disconnect from each other. Alright, and right here, make sure you remove this vacuum line. You just pinch it and pull straight up, comes right out. And I don't know, don't lose it. Whoa, what happened here? Look at this, something happened to my vacuum line. Alright, set that down. Now we take out this intake box. One thing forgot to tell you guys. Unplug this real quick. Your mass airflow sensor. Alright, I need 2 hands for this. Let me put you down real quick. There we go. Finally got it off. That was super scary, just saying. Alright, now you got your old intake box out. Set it to the side. Alright, so your intake box is out now. Take it to the side, and you see right here, you got your sensor. Alright, you take your T15 sensor, you take your T15 screw, put it in, boom, it comes right out. Sorry, this is a little hectic. Doing this one hand. Alright, screw that real quick. I like how it's focused on my lanyard and not what I'm doing. The hell. Alright, I just fixed the autofocus setting. Hopefully it works now. So yeah, just unscrew this. Ooh, there it is. Okay, leave that in the spot where you don't lose it or damage it. And let's go install the new box. Or, no, we're not yet. Go back to under your hood. You see down here? We got another flathead. Loosen that up, take this out, and then you get to put the new one on. Ooh, this one is on there. There it is. Alright, yeah, it's loosened. Now down here, you see this hose. Right? Behind it there's a clip. Look for that clip. Unbutton it, or unbutton it. Unlatch it, and this thing should come off. All I have to do is 2 hand. Hold up. Alright, so the rest of the pipe is out now. This is what it looks like, and this is the thing that held on the hose. See how it clips in like that? This clips in like that. There's a latch back here. Press on it, and then it just pulls right open. Alright, let's go grab the other hook tube pipe. This one. Alright, so this goes in here like that. Then you tighten that up. You tighten that up. Go grab your box. Yours should come with this little rubber seal thing. I already put mine on, so you should figure it out. Pretty self-explanatory. Take this box, come back over here. Place it in there. No way. Alright guys, so like I said earlier, nothing runs smoothly in these videos. So yeah, I just dropped my rubber grommet into the whole pipe. What the hell? Now we gotta take this crap back out and freaking get it. Alright, so we got the rest of our intake pipe right here. At this point, you want to reinstall your mass sensor so you don't freaking end up breaking it when you're trying to put it on later. So let's put it on right now real quick and we'll finish this install up. Alright, now I got the intake on, got the mass sensor on. Dude, fitment issue was so whack at first, but I think it'll be okay by the end. That's what people are saying. But now, remember the vacuum line that we pulled out earlier? Push it through this little rubber grommet right there, like that, boom. And then stick it into that little nipple. And if you have an N20, then they'll provide you with a little cap. Then you just plug it with the cap instead of doing this crap. But if you have an N26 like me, plug it, and you should be good. There we go. Now your mass flow sensor. Mass flow sensor right here. Hold it through here. No, it looks like it's gonna be short. There we go. Plug this in. There we go. If you don't hear it click, it means it's not in. So make sure it clicks, and now you're good to go. Put on the intake filter. And screw everything in place, and we're gonna start it right up. Alright, so we got the intake all installed, and I'm thinking about running without the cover, but who knows, probably gonna need the cover, or otherwise it's gonna become a hot air intake instead of a cold air. But it was a pretty easy DIY, just a lot of pain in the butt issues, like dropping that rubber grommet all the way inside, freaking some fitment issues, but got all taken care of. Now we're gonna turn on the car, let it idle for a bit, and then we'll give it a little some rev. Like, alright, here we go. It's been idling for about 10 minutes. Now I'll give it some revs. The wind it's a little windy, so hopefully you can still hear it. Let's go. This is my first time too. Let's go. Alright, so I just found out that I can only hear the intake when I rev only if I'm in Eco Pro mode and not Comfort, Sport, or Sport Plus. I don't know why. So here it is. Dang, there you guys go. This thing is hella loud, dude. I am so sorry to my neighbors just now. If you guys are watching this, I'm so sorry for revving in the middle of the day when people are probably taking naps. And I'm so sorry for my cold starts in the morning. Please forgive me. Alright, I guess that'll be it for the video, guys. Got my Injen Intake install. What I'm doing next, probably, I don't know. You guys keep watching to find out, because I don't know what I'm doing. Whoever comes. But yeah, that'll conclude the video, I guess. Thank you for watching. If you guys liked the video, make sure you give us a little thumbs up. If you guys didn't like the video, tell us why you didn't like the video so we can make the next video more likable, I guess. And I'm sorry, Randy and Jimmy are not here to make this more fun. It was just me. They're too busy at school again. But yep, get yourself an Injen Intake. Become a ricer. I'll see you guys next time. Lates.